Top of the morning, good evening, good night. How you doing? Today we got a different kind of video for you guys. Today we're in a big body M8. It's great, never late. Forget about it. Holy fuck, this thing is a motherfucking beast. Currently in Mexico, went on vacation. My beautiful, perfect girlfriend got me an M8 for our anniversary. Nothing crazy, just a few days. I had to leave her at home because she gets a little anxious and scared when I drive crazy, so I figured I'd go pick up the food, but just, you know, take a while I'm doing it. Telling you boys, naturally aspirated sounds nice, but once you feel that turbo kick, it's game over. It's beautiful out here. I love going and seeing palm trees. Kind of want to open the windows, but I don't know if it's gonna sound good. The only thing about this car is, so my buddy has a M5 competition, and he got downpipe, tune, intake, all that shit done to it. So when you drive, I've driven this car a few times, and when you drive that, one, it's a little bit faster than this. Two, the experience of all the freaking shifts and bangs and pops, shit sounds like you're driving a freaking jet on a public road. This, it's like a little underwhelming. I hate to break it, but like, it still sounds nice, it still moves quick. I'm over here talking as if I drive this on a regular basis. This thing is definitely crazy. Mamma mia. I gotta figure out how to get on a highway. This thing just wants to go so bad. She wants to eat. I will feed, I will feed. It's like the slums down here, low key though. Fuck it though. Oh, this thing is so fucking fast, it's wild. Holy shit. You don't even feel how fast that shit picks up. Yo, that's crazy. First try, just hit the limiter. I didn't even think this thing had a limiter, bro. Mamma mia. That shit wanted to keep going, yo. Oh my god. I felt it giving up on the power. Wow. Yo, that is unbelievable. 165 from like 90 in fucking 5 seconds. Holy shit. I had so much space too, dude. This shit could have hit 180 without a problem. That is unbelievable. And the speed limits are 55. How the fuck does that make sense? How are they even allowed to sell some shit like this, but the speed limits are 55? Life does not make sense, yo. I need to move to fucking Germany. I'll just be chilling on the Autobahn every day. I do not understand. That felt like my car going 120, 130. This shit going 165. That's unbelievable. I can't believe it tops out at that. Now I'm about to be on YouTube researching how to remove the speed limiter. Bro, I was just at 130, like, yo, what is this shit? Yo, this car is insane, dog. Oh my god. Bro, my car takes like fucking 15 seconds to get to 130. And it feels like I'm like this the whole time. Whoa! This thing throws you off because of how quiet it is too. Fucking just casually creeping up on 130. I swear from back there I saw a car driving on this and I was like, that's a weird lane. No, this thing is diabolical. I'm actually mad that it tops out at 165. I can't even express the ease that it got up there. How easily. So easy. Yeah. I'm ready. Bro, this shit should not be accessible to the fucking public. Like, this is unbelievable. This is what people drive every day, dude. I'm about to fucking... Oh, I'm about to live under a rock for a few fucking months or a year. I need to be able to just have a daily M car. The crazy thing is, this car definitely costs as much to fill up as mine, and it gets more miles per gallon. Or miles per gallon and miles per tank than my car. Can you believe that? A 306 horsepower V6 naturally aspirated sedan versus a 640, I think, horsepower fucking V8 twin turbo. I think it's a V8. I'm gonna feel dumb if it's a V6. No, it's gotta be a V8 because the M5 is a V8. Twin turbo! And this shit gets more miles per gallon. It is more efficient than my motherfucking car. And literally twice, if not more than twice as fast. There. That wasn't terrible. I'll take it. Cut me some slack here, guys. I'm over here driving a fucking 300 horsepower all-wheel drive naturally aspirated car every day. It's not every day I'm in one of these though. Oh, kurva. This shit feels a little too real. This fucking simulator's no joke. This shit is so sick that you can freaking just literally click a button and it goes from all-wheel drive to two-wheel drive. This shit is the wave. I wouldn't get the M8, I'd probably get like a G80 M3, but... or maybe an M5, but my buddy has an M5. He says it's just so much, like, such a boat. It's not much slower than the M3 on the Nürburgring. It's like literally almost the same thing, but just all around I feel like it's better. Feel that shit sliding, boy. Oh, yep, that is not it. Turn the traction control right back on. You know, you gotta know your limits. You gotta know when to not push it. And I will not be doing that entering the highway in second gear. But I will go find a parking lot and get familiar with it. Holy shit, what is that? Somebody lost their fucking fanny. Somebody lost their supplies. I feel like I could confidently send it around a turn, sliding sideways, but shit don't feel the same as it did in fucking Forza. This simulator's a little different. I can't tell if it's wet here or not. Let me try just low-key launching it. Like, fuck it, like. Not doing that way. It's all dried up now too. Fuck it, I'm gonna just head to my fucking burritos. This thing picks up speed like a fucking demon. Like, it's actually unbelievable. I do not like that steering wheel so loose. I feel like this thing's not aligned properly, or these roads just absolutely suck, or the suspension's so stiff that you just feel every little thing. Shall we cut up for the last 2 miles? We shall. This thing should not be allowed for public consumption. This is unbelievable. The amount of instant power this thing has, bro. Like, it feels like life is sped up for a second. It's literally insane. Bugging, just walking on the highway. That doesn't even feel loud, man. That shit feels quiet. I feel like my car is louder under tunnels. Nah, but this car with just literally an exhaust is the perfect setup. Now, obviously, I'll just get a downpipe and tune while I'm at it. But if I got this car, exhaust as soon as I possibly can, and then I'd probably just get used to that for a while. Then once you get bored, downpipe, tune. Few other little things from mount intake. God damn, I wish I just bought this car. I have to give it back in a few days. But this is the motivation. You gotta manifest. I think a G80 M3 would be my go-to, or an F80. I love the F80s. But the G80s are so advanced compared to the F80s now, it's insane. I also was looking at the M340i's, because those are literally compared to the F80s. They have the same 0 to 60 and even a 0.1 second faster quarter mile. A 3 series faster than the motherfucking M3. But the G80 M3s are just like out of they're in their own league, you know what I mean? So I think I might have to look into that. I found something here. It's not much, but it is something. All right, I'm not about to crash into a fucking tree. Let's see what happens here. Oh, fuck it, we did something there. That shit was ugly as hell. Oh my goodness. Oh, I really did something there though. This is day one. Wait till day two, man. Kurva. We're pushing something there. God damn, this shit got me feeling confident now, not in a good way. Okay, okay, okay. I'm gonna have this bitch tamed by the time I'm done with her. Holy shit. All right, boys and girls. That last ending got my heart racing. I'm gonna pick up these damn burritos, go eat, feed my girl, and then either later today or tomorrow, we will be back. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I had a blast driving this goddamn car, just getting comfortable with everything. Gonna try to get more comfortable, do a little bit more crazy things, tune everything up a little bit, you know what I mean. Hope you guys enjoyed. This thing is a goddamn... I'm at a loss for words. I've driven my boy's M5, but I never even took the traction off. I never pushed it to the limits because it's always just to like pick it up from somewhere and move a few miles. But having the freedom with this, if you can, I highly recommend it. Now I just got to figure out a way to buy one of these and own them, but that we'll get to another time. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will drop a few of these videos, POV with the M8 comp. There's nothing much to be said. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you soon. Peace!